Betsy Malloy photography. Poor Winnie, his ride gets a lot of abuse in online reviews. Some people think it would fit in better if it was in Fantasyland and not stuck in a corner next to Splash Mountain. Others compare it to its sister rides in Florida and Tokyo and say it's not as much fun. What it does have going for it is short lines and a beloved character. 1. Location. Winnie the Pooh is in Critter Country, and you may find Winnie at a character greeting near the ride entrance. Critter Country is Disneyland's smallest named area and includes just 2 rides. 2. Rating. 3. Restrictions. No height restrictions. Children under age 7 years must be accompanied by a person age 14 years or older. 4. Ride time, 4 minutes. 5. Recommended for small children. Also for anyone who loves Winnie the Pooh. 6. Fun factor, low to moderate. 7. Weight factor, Winnie usually has short lines. 8. Fear factor, low for most of the ride. The scene with the heffalumps is dark and has some odd-looking creatures that might frighten some younger visitors. 9. Herky-jerky factor, low to none. 10. Nausea factor, low to none. 11. Seating. Ride vehicles are beehive-shaped, in honor of Pooh's favorite food, honey. Riders sit in 3 rows, and each row has room for 2. It's easier to see if you're in the first 2 rows. You have to step over the side of the vehicle to get in. 12. Accessibility. One of the ride vehicles can accept a manual wheelchair, but if you've got a motorized chair or ECV, you'll have to transfer into the ride vehicles. No matter what your means of transport, get into the regular line. Guest relations can give you a handheld captioning device to use here. More about visiting Disneyland in a wheelchair or ECV.